In this example, we are asked to solve for x, so I'm going to start on the side of the equation where the x is. So over here, I have these parentheses, and there's a negative right outside, which is really a -1. So I know I'm going to have some distribution, and I also have this extra term, which means I'm going to have some combining like terms to do later on. So we always start with the distribution because it is multiplication, which would come before addition, like combining like terms. So we need to distribute the -1 to everything in these parentheses. So the -1 times x is a -1x, and the -1 times 6 is a -6. After that, I can bring down the 4x and the equals -18. Next, we want to combine our like terms. We have to do that before we can solve. And if we look here, I have an x and an x. So those two I know are like terms. This -6, however, does not have an x, so I cannot include that when I combine these. So 4x minus 1x is going to give me 3x. I can then bring down the -6 and the equals -18. Now that we've taken care of the distribution and the multiplication, and the combining like terms, we can start to solve this, which means I need to inverse the constant on the side with the variable. Over here with the variable, I have a constant. So I'm going to inverse that. Because it's negative, we're going to use addition, and we're going to add 6 to both sides. That will leave me with 3x equals -12. Last but not least, we do want to inverse this coefficient. The coefficient is multiplying on the variable. The opposite of that would be to divide, so we're going to divide on both sides by 3. This will cancel out the coefficient and leave us with just x, which will equal -4.